Hello, this is Campeche, Mexico. I'm here on the unique and stunning boardwalk, which is only about 2 blocks from the picturesque town square. What is stunning is the length being 7 kilometers of boardwalk. It is divided into a bike lane, jogging lanes, and even the lane for strolling, bringing your dog. The sunsets every evening. The locals come out to enjoy the sea breeze, to get in their steps, to walk their dogs, and to just be outdoors to enjoy some of the most vibrant sunsets you'll ever see. So check it out.